Welcome back to the Musing Greg. Most car batteries these days are maintenance free. This means the tops of the batteries are sealed closed and you can't access the individual cells. And if you've got one of these batteries, this video is not for you. But some batteries like this one, particularly heavy duty units and four-wheel drives and trucks, still need to have the water topped up occasionally to keep them working properly. Now this battery's got a built-in hygrometer which displays when it's time to add water. And as you can see, it's time to do that now. But how do you know how much water to add when you do have to add it in? Well, I bought this battery about 16 months ago, but when it was brand new, I opened a cell immediately to check the water level to find out exactly how much it was supposed to have in it. As you can see, there's a little bit of plastic sticking down into the battery that acts as a depth gauge. The water level needs to sit just above the bottom of that. To top the cells up, it's really easy and you'll only need three things. Depending on the design of the battery, you may be able to undo these caps by hand, or like me, you might need a 10 or 20 cent piece. You'll also need some demineralised water. Don't use tap water because that's got dissolved minerals in it which can affect the battery. At a push you can use rainwater, but demineralised water is cheap and it's readily available from supermarkets and car parts stores. And finally, use a funnel to pour the water into the cell to prevent contamination. I didn't do this because I was holding the camera, but it's the best way of doing it. So let's now check how low the water is in this battery. Quite a way below. It's no longer on that little blue marker, that little blue dipstick anymore. It's sitting quite way below it. You can see here the water level is only just above the top of the plates, which is definitely too low. Then it's just a matter of slowly topping up each cell until the level comes up to the bottom of the depth gauges. As I said, use a funnel so you don't make a mess like I did. Having done that, you can see that the water level's correct now. It's above the bottom of the blue depth gauge. And to confirm we've got it right, you can see that the red rings disappeared from the hygrometer on this battery, so we know that it's right now. Hope that helps. Please like and subscribe if it does, and I'll catch you next time.